If you're watching this video, then you want to know how you can become an industrial maintenance technician and start making really good money for your family. Well, there's two paths that I'm going to discuss today. Path number one, contact your local junior college. You can do that either directly, you can call them, or you can visit their website and see if they have industrial maintenance courses. You also want to see if you have, what kind of industrial maintenance positions there are around your area. Some of them will require you to have a certificate, some of them will want you to have an associate's, and some of them may not require either, but they're going to want you to have experience. So find out the jobs in your area and find out what their requirements are going to be, because you don't want to start on the path to get what you think is going to get you to your end goal just to find out that you'd wasted time. Now, in my local area, we have a junior college and they offer an associate's, a bachelor's, and several certificate programs for electrical techs, mechanical techs, and a multi-tech, which is electrical and mechanical. So just find out what kind of jobs are in your area and what they're going to expect you to have. Some employers also have an aptitude test, which is going to test that knowledge that you have. Some of the jobs that offer the aptitude test, they may waive the schooling requirements. If you have experience that's going to be, in a mechanical field or an electrical field, if you already have that experience, they may waive the schooling requirements and not make you actually have the certificate or the diploma. So you want to check into that. But whatever you do, you want to make sure that whichever way you go, that's going to help you get to your end goal. There's really good money in the maintenance field, and it can be an excellent source for your family's livelihood. There's usually a lot of overtime potential, which is when you'll really make your good money. The starting hourly wage is generally very good, but once you get that overtime, you're going to make 1.5 times your regular salary. So let's just use, for example, let's say you were making $20 an hour normally. All that overtime is going to be at $30 an hour. Let's say you were making $25 an hour normally, then you're going to make $42.50 overtime. And if you made $30 an hour for your normal hourly wage, then your overtime wage would be at $45 an hour. So you can see how it's really possible to make some really good money, because most industrial settings, especially right now, are shorthanded, and the overtime potential is just amazing. Some of these industrial technicians, you can easily start off, and once you're past probationary period and you're working overtime, you can easily get to the point where you're making $80,000 to $100,000 a year as a mechanic or as an electrician in an inside environment. Now that's working 55, 60 hours a week, but I've worked jobs not in the industrial field where you're expected to do 50 hours a week and they're paying you like $50,000. So if you're going to be working 50 hours a week, you might as well be making significantly more money. So this is the way that you can get into the field. A couple different ways. Like I said, you can seek schooling, certificate, associates, or bachelor's, or you can just try to find some of the employers in your area who are struggling to find help, and they might let you do an aptitude test to give you a shot at the position. So hey, thanks for watching this video. I hope you are interested in my other content that I produce, and I hope that this helps you get into the field and start making the big bucks.